going to Portimao, then you should definitely rent a car, and let me show you how. And I'm super excited that you decided to go to such a nice location, which is Portimao. And here I'm gonna help you to rent a car, and my goal is to make you pay less and get more. So let's get started. First of all, you can also browse Auto Jardim to find some nice tips traveling around Portimao. So just in case you want to experience something like a local or try some new adventures. But let's get straight to the car rental, which is in Portimao. So first of all you have to do is to click rent a car now, or just follow the links I provided in the video description below the video. So once you click rent a car, you'll have a landing page for car rental Portugal. You just have to enter your destination, and after that choose the dates. So for example, let's try from May 1 to May 8, and let's see what we can get. And this site is really nice one because it compares all the car rental companies that are in that location, so you don't have to do it manually, although if you want you can, and I will show you how you can do it. But first of all, let's see what we can get here. And as you can see, May is kind of the start of the season, so the prices start from 225 for 7 days. Price is still very good. And let's try to also select automatic transmission. Of course it will get more expensive, but if you're like me, I prefer driving automatic because it's much more easier, especially in locations that you've never been before, so you get less stressed. And let's try to get some SUV. To do that, you just click view, you see that everything makes sense, you see the location, if it's convenient for you, and you also get a nice bonus. You get free cancellation, and the cancellation is really good because when you book something, a car rental, it means you also had something like a hotel, maybe a flight, maybe some guides and everything. So it's good to know that at least this you can cancel for free. So once you're here, I also suggest to take full coverage. It can cover your expenses up to 3,000 euro, which is really good. At least during this video recording, you have to check when you'll book the car if it's the same, or maybe it's even better. So you have to check optional extras if you want something. For example, sometimes we take baby seat or additional driver, but if you take only insurance, we have the full price without any more surprises. So it means this is the amount you will pay. And the good thing is that now you only have to pay 94 euro, and the rest will be once you arrive. So you get free cancellation, you get less payment today. Like, it's very nice, and there is no risk involved in renting a car. It's much easier than booking a flight or a hotel. So yeah, after that you just book now, then you get a voucher, and then you just wait for the day when you can pick up. And I will show you how to do it, but I will pick another example which was in Madeira, but the steps are exactly the same. Also before that, you can try, for example, rental cars, which is also a good website to check the cars, although I prefer Discover Cars, but just like to compare if they can get something better, you can always check it. And yeah, they have no cars available at that time, and I mean, it's even easier. Now you can only rely on Discover Cars. Unless you want to check something manually, and you can do that by looking your location in Google Maps. So for example, Portimao car hire, and then you will see some options. Yes, and you can check all of them manually to see the reviews. You can even visit their websites, and that's possible, but I mean, why do such a hard job checking everything manually when Discover Cars does that for you, and you also get free cancellation? So if you want, you can do like this, or you can just follow the links I included and they will compare it for you. Okay, so now let's go to the process itself. So I will show you now what happens after you book and pay. I will show an example I did with Madeira, how the voucher will look like and what you should do next, and some valuable tips, especially in Portugal, that you can use. Take the voucher with you or download it and go to the car rental company. Before picking up your car, make pictures, make videos, just to be safe and have proof that you didn't make scratches or any bumps. Also, some things to know: for the best price you have to have experience of 1 or 2 years, and also if you need a child seat you have to pay extra, and of course no alcohol behind the wheel. So that's pretty much it. Have fun in Portugal, and thanks for watching.